Hi guys. Okay, so I'm using my tablet for this because my computer is out. So I've written a new song because someone apparently likes my work. I'm not quite sure if I know them personally, because I don't know everyone that has a YouTube channel. So yeah, sorry if it's a bit dark and all. So yeah, I just have to adjust the volume. So the song I've written is called Little Monkey. Yeah, it has nothing to do with Little Lion from Mumford & Sons, even though they're one of my favorite bands. Quite short, not my longest piece of work, or my best. I did some other stuff when I was overseas in the school holidays, but I can't seem to grab them at the moment. So, once again, I have no music whatsoever. How embarrassing is that? Yeah, I haven't written music for any of my pieces yet, but I'm going to get down to that sooner or later. More likely later than sooner. Anyhow, this is Little Monkey. Little monkey climbed up a tree and found that someone had killed his mommy. So he ran down to his local town, and here is what he found. All the town had been killed. He knew 'cause none of the wheat had been milled. Rage in his tummy, yes it did. So quickly he ran downhill. Run, little monkey, run, little monkey, yeah. Fight for your life and your mother's rights. Run, little monkey, run, little monkey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Little monkey ran down the street, not wanting to fall to defeat. He ran to the cops, he went. Justice for his mother he meant. He told the police all he knew, and they said, sure, we'll help you. Run, little monkey, yeah. Fight for your life and your mother's rights. Run, little monkey, yeah, yeah. So the monkey's killers were caught, and all the rights had been fought. So now the little monkey sat in strife, wondering what to do with his life. Run, little monkey, yeah. Fight for your life and your mother's rights. Run, little monkey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Run, little monkey, run, little monkey, run, little monkey, run, little monkey.